What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. I want to do an easy profit review and want to ask a question that I'm asking myself. Is this thing going to be exposed as a scam at the end of the 30 days or however many days before we receive our commission? Or is this a legit affiliate opportunity that someone can step into and start earning commission with the $100 in clicks that they give you? Now, since I've been in the system since April the 15th, I'm 10 days in. $857.74 is setting in this account right now. 67 total sales, 579 clicks. I have not invested any money into this system, nor do I plan to invest any money into this system within this system until I actually see the money deposited into my PayPal account or into my bank account, depending upon which one I set up. I haven't set that up either because they have changed some things around in the back office. You know, when I first joined on the 15th, this stuff wasn't here. My wallet here, my commissions and earn per sale. These tabs were not here. Even this list over here to the left was not, as long. Okay, so what I want to do is just quickly go through this and show you some of the changes that have been made in here. So this is the same. You just simply share your link, your link, paste it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or email, and when someone buys, you earn 20% commission. I'm on the 20% level. Okay, there's a silver level, there's a gold level, and then there's a platinum level. I will not be investing into none of that until I see the legitimacy of this program, and I highly recommend that you do not do it either. Okay, just go ahead on, get signed up for free, and then watch the sales come in as they go into your account. You will receive an email, and then once you get up to $500, just kind of let it sit there till the 30 days elapse and see if you actually earn any money. And if you want to share it for free. Okay, Facebook, YouTube, or whatever. Okay, but let your people know that you are not sure that this is legit or not. And I probably didn't really say that in the first video and things like that, but I'm saying it now. You want to see the legitimacy of this. Is this a long-term thing? If this is a short, or is this just a short money grab? Okay, so we want to be careful. So you share your link. We're going to browse the products in a minute. Buy guaranteed traffic. Okay, you can do that in step 2, and then step 3 you can upgrade. Okay, if I was to upgrade, let's see if I can make this bigger. If I was to upgrade with my 33 existing sales and get recalculated at 65%, they would add another $1,035.06 to the $857 that I have there. Okay, so you see that right there. That's if I decided to upgrade to gold, which I am not at this moment in time. If I do, I will take this right here, these commissions right here. Okay, and then invest it right here. Until then, I'm just not going to do that right now. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. So let's go over here. You have the products, and we're going to actually look at the products. The first product is just simply getting people to sign up for free through your affiliate link, and you're going to earn $9.99. Okay, you're not investing anything. You're simply posting on Facebook, share it with some friends and family, whatever, whoever. Okay, and when they fill out that form, you're going to earn $9.99. Okay, AI profits. Some other videos explain this, but you can go through that. But you earn on these, all that is green here as well. Okay, if we open up, if I copy on this affiliate link and just look at the product, come over here and look at it, you'll see the products are here. Okay, so someone can purchase this product, you're going to earn a commission. It's the same thing over here. They didn't have this one in here when I first joined, but if I copy this affiliate link and look at the products, you can see this product right here. Okay, so you earn on all of the products in here. You even earn on the drop shipping, the SMS profit, and the Wi-Fi profit. But if you upgrade to gold, then you earn more on these, the 65%. But right now you're just earning the 20% over here. So keep that in mind. If you want to look at your statistics here, under here, you can look under each one, but I'm going to look at it under EzProfits. Going to click on that. And these are the statistics here. Okay, this is your affiliate link, and it shows you the countries, where your tier 1 countries or leads are coming from. You can actually set up tracking now. We didn't have that at first, so you can set up tracking. So like I'm doing a YouTube video, so if you look at the link in my description, I put the source. Okay, source, let me kind of zoom in on that a little bit. So the source, source equals YouTube, okay, or wherever it is that you are promoting your link. You can copy the example link, okay, and you can go down through here and you can see your clicks, you can see your leads, you can see what you earn per lead and how much you've earned, and you can even export your leads, okay, so you can do that as well. So let's back out of here, okay. The next thing, we're going to go back to products again. And so you look at your statistics on each and every last one of those to see what you earn. Okay. And it tells you right there what you earned on those products. Let's go back again. You can't see your statistics on the drop shift in the EzProfits. Okay. So you can look at your leads. All of your leads over here, your qualified leads. You notice I got one from TrafficZest. I'm going to show you that in a minute. You look at your commissions. All of your commissions are here. Once again, upgrade. If I click on upgrade, you can upgrade one time to $498, $895, or $1,500. Okay. I don't recommend that you do that right now until you see that this is legit, that this is sustainable, and that it's going to be here for a while. Okay. And everybody is cautious of this. I had people asking me questions, and so I'm cautious as well. But I'm sharing this with you that if you do decide to come in and set up your free account and they start sending that traffic for you, you will have commissions set in there. If it's legit, after 30 days, then you will get those commissions. So those are the commissions. And if you look over here under the commissions, okay, I even did a share bonus. I shared one. I earned $1 for that today. But under commissions, you can look over here under status pending 4 weeks. And if you go on down through here, you'll notice that it gets to 3 weeks. Okay. So as you go on down through here, the earlier you got in or whenever, it goes down. So in 3 weeks, these commissions will be hitting. 2 weeks, still waiting approval on this quick cash one right here. But you notice that right there. And if I wanted to simply, share this, if I wanted to share this, only thing you have to do to earn $1, okay, is simply click on share. And then you choose one of these right here and you share it. And this is the message that's going to go out on your behalf right there. This automatically connects to your Facebook account. Instagram, you would have to paste. WhatsApp, I haven't tried that yet. X, I haven't tried it, but you can copy this for your email or you can just copy the link. But this is the message that's going to be put. And once you do that, it's going to show you over here where you have earned $1. Right now, I have some money actually sitting here that I could earn. Cash outs. Okay. You're just going to set up a payment method here. Then you request your withdrawal. Once it get done here, you can see your history down here. Buy traffic. You can go as low as $50. You can go up to $100, $300, $500, $1,000. Okay, if you wanted to go all the way up to $10,000, you can purchase traffic. I would not. Right now, if you want to test it, you can do $50, but I highly recommend that you wait. Okay, to do that, I did have one guy that actually bought the $50 clicks, and he got 11 sales from that because he said he didn't have an audience or an email list, so he just gave it a try. Okay. So I may come back and try the $50 just for the sake of it, or even $100, just for the sake of it to see how this actually works. Okay, so you can do it accelerated, 2 to 6 hours. You can go 1 day, 24 hours, 3 days, steady drip, 6 days, slow and spread. You want to run it across all of the products, or you can pick one specific product. I would run it across all. Okay, and like I said, you can get any amount. And you're getting 10,000 clicks. You're going to spend $10,000 projected you know, 20,000 estimated profit, 10,000 after your 10,000 ad spend. You know, once you start making some money with this and you actually see that it's legit, then you can come and probably do $500, okay? And all of the products in here are what you're going to be promoting. This is for nothing outside of that. So you can do that in here as well. You can see your campaign. This is my campaign. It is completed. This is the first 125 clicks that they gave me when I first joined. You can see your transactions here. You can view it all of that good stuff right there. Quick cash, this is where you can come in and join the Telegram group, earn you $20 here, $25 here, and $25 to tell them about your stuff. It's a little survey, 8 questions, and then read Mikey's story, earn $25 here. Once again, you can share your sale. Under the share sales, I have $66 available there. So when I share those links, that $66 is going to calculate over here. Mikey's story, read Mikey's story, come down through here and read it. It's an interesting story. I read it twice, but just read it. And then when you come down here and click, it's going to give you your actual, you know, credits. Okay. Leaderboards. This is a good one. You know, for this to be a new program, the leaderboards and these people who have earned all this money makes me real skeptical. I'm down here at the bottom at 767. Now, maybe this system or something else he had going on was happening. But, you know, for this just to have come out and people who have already earned this amount of money just seems unbelievable to me. I wanted to show that as well. So just so you know, that's what kind of has me a little leery about this, but hey, I'm sharing it. If it works, you can reap the benefit. If it don't, then hey, you have lost nothing. And if you want to, what you can do, you can set up another specific email address for this if you don't want to give them your real email address. So that's the dashboard. Those are the products. Those are your leads, your commission, your cash out, your buy traffic campaign transaction, quick cash, Mikey's story, leaderboards, and they now have a support ticket. And I have put in a support ticket asking some questions about, you know, if people actually upgrade. Okay, let me see if I can find it. Dashboard. If people upgrade, do we earn a commission on the $4.98? Do we earn a commission on the $8.95? Do we earn a commission here? Okay, and once I get the answer to those questions, I will be sure to come back and let you know that in a later video. So what I did today was I actually took, on the products, I took my link, copied my link, and I went over to TrafficZest. And in TrafficZest, I had like $22 up here, I believe, that was already in my balance. And so I decided I'd just do a little test run. As you can see, I've already had 10 clicks at $5.50 per click. Okay. So I set that up in here. And these are the people that I actually gotten traffic from. I believe the one that actually signed up was from Shanars. Okay, because I've gotten 7 clicks from here. You can see the placements in here, and I'll leave a link to TrafficZest if you want to get access to this as well. You can see here, you can see the tags, which are email clicks, and engaged clicks is what I went with. You can see the countries where it's coming from, your device type, always choose desktop, and a device, you know, Windows, Mac, operating system. Okay, so I did that. So I did get one sale, well, one opt-in from that earned me $9.99 or $10. So I'm still to the good over here according to this. So I'll drop a link to TrafficZest below as well if you want to get access to that. If you want to, you know, use it for, you can get traffic in here. It's just simple as setting up a campaign name, destination URL. Okay. Coming down here, make money. You can pick any providers you want to or leave it wide open. Countries that you want, you can pick tier 1, device type, operating system, and the tags, email clicks, engaged, and then of course you set up your bid. So you can do that as well. If you have any questions about TrafficZest, just let me know, but there will be a link for that in the description as well. So with that being said, go ahead on Click the link in the description if you want to test this out. This is an invite only, so go ahead, click the link in the description and just get your free account and then share it and start getting people in with you and watch those clicks go through that they're going to give you as well. So with that being said, click the link in the description, get signed up, share it with somebody you know. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.